Do you find yourself struggling to install Windows 11 due to the fact that your CPU might not be manufactured for it, as well as not having the TPM 2.0 feature? Mahot mane, mahot lady, ladies and gents, welcome to the Data News channel. If you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Brantiso Itaola, he's the one that made me do this video. I'm sending a shout out to him. And if you have any requests, make sure to contact me on the details provided down there in the description box, and I'll be able to assist in whatever way that I can, whether it's Gmail or the WhatsApp. All right. I've also left in the description box some of the files as well as the softwares that you may need in order to install this particular operating system. Let's enjoy. So first of all, ladies and gents, you will click on that link provided down in the description box of TPM fix. Then once you've clicked on it, it will give you a screen like this once it's opened on your browser, whatever browser you're using. All right. Then you will scroll down to this download TPM error fix. All right. Then once you have clicked there, it will take you to another page, and you will again scroll down. You'll see that you have generate link 1, then generate link 2. All right. Then you will see that you will have these two options. Basically, they are the same files. It doesn't matter which one you click. So go ahead and click on generate 1 link or the 2. It will take you to a Google Drive where these particular TPM error fix are stored. Once you have that, you will just click on that download button. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. And then it's just going to give me another TPM error fix file. All right. So that's what basically you will download first. Now, once you have downloaded that, make sure that you also have downloaded Windows 11 package, all right, which is about 5 gigs or so, right? Then you will go to your downloads folder within the Windows 11 or Windows 10. Pardon me for that, the Windows 10. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 8, you will go to your downloads folder. Then you will see on top there that you will have TPM error fix. You will right click on that TPM error fix zip, and what you will do is you will extract all of those files. Then set it to whatever destination you want. I prefer it in the download, so I'm just going to extract it right there. And then once that is done, you will see that you will have a pop-up screen like this window where you will basically have these two files. So we're not going to deal with that for now. I was just preparing you for what we're about to do. You see they're still there. Let's go back. Then once you have downloaded the TPM2 file as well as your Windows 11 folder, you will just make sure to extract the Windows 11 folder. Then what you will have is this kind of folder similar to mine, which stipulates Windows 11 build 21996.1 x 64-bit. All right. Then you will just double click on it. Once you have double clicked on it, you will see these particular files within that folder. Then we'll just go to this option with Windows 11 x64. Right click on it, and then once you have right clicked on it, you will just open with Windows Explorer. All right. Then once you have clicked on Windows Explorer, it will have a pop-up security warning, and you will just open it up. All right. Then once you have opened it up, you will see these components within that specific folder. Copy all of those files. Make sure to copy all of those files. All right, I'm gonna provide a tutorial on a tour guide in terms of Windows 11, because Windows 11 is very nice and it's very different compared to Windows 10, 8, 8.1 and 7 or XP. I'm gonna go back to the downloads folder. If you want to store these files on your documents, you can go ahead and store them there. And I'm gonna create a new folder within that downloads folder. All right, and I'm going to rename it Windows 11. Now, once you have renamed it, you will just go ahead and go to your folder where you can be able to just right click and paste all of those files to that specific folder. Now, ladies and gents, once you have copied all of those files within that new folder that you have created, you will go ahead and go back to that TPM2 error fix folder. All right, you will copy these two files. Sorry for the background noise again, if you can hear it, but if you can't hear it, it's fine. Then you will go to your sources files. Right click once you have copied all of those folders from the TPM2 error fix, and then paste them within this source folder. All right, you will just replace the file destination and then you will be good to go. So go back to the Windows folder, Windows 11 that we have created. Double click on the setup and you will be able to install your Windows 11. All right, I'm not going to install it since I already have it, and I'm going to give you a tour guide on some of the aspects of Windows 11, and that's about it, ladies and gents. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please use the comment section down below, and if you have any requests that you would like or videos that we would like me to do, please do contact me on the details provided in the description box.